So when I seal coat someone's driveway, I always like to edge up the sides. As you can see over here, I edge up the side as well, because when I do my seal coating, and this is the way I do seal coating, I want to have this complete edge covered so it blends in with the mulch. The same thing here along this edge, the same thing along this edge here. My goal is get the seal coating as close as I can to the backside, and when I get done, I'll show you all of this, how it turns out. But yeah, you see all these blotches. Now, one thing about seal coating, it does not fix these divots, but it makes the driveway look really nice and black in color, almost new. So yeah, you're ready to finish this. I'm really waiting for the sun to come out to drop some of this moisture.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I'm done with it. What y'all think? This section down here is a little wet, but once it dries up, it's gonna look like this. It's like 90 some odd degrees out here, and it's drying really fast. So if you got a driveway and you want it top coated, give me a call, 571-723-7796. The SEAL team.